What's the meaning of carve? Carve. Carve.
Carve. Carve. Carve means to cut or shape a material, usually wood or stone, with a sharp tool such as a knife or chisel. The result of carving is a three-dimensional object that is often decorative or functional in nature. When carving, the artist removes layers of material until the desired shape or design is achieved. Examples of carved objects include sculptures, furniture, and ornaments. Carving requires skill and patience, and has been used throughout history by different cultures to create works of art and everyday objects.